In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to use two WhatsApp accounts on the same PC. Kenneth Brown, welcome. Hello my friend, my name is Kenneth Brown. Welcome to channel CygnaTech, and how are we doing today? I hope fantastic. So the first thing is I want you to open up Chrome browser or whatever browser you have, and you type in WhatsApp on Google search. Once you do that, you get all the suggestions out here. Click on the first link. Once you do that, you're going to be directed to the official web page for WhatsApp or whatsapp.com. Once here, click on WhatsApp web, and you're going to be directed to the web version for WhatsApp. And most of us already know that we could log in to our WhatsApp account out here itself. So let me go ahead and open WhatsApp on my Android device and scan this code to log in. So I click on settings, and then I click on the icon out here to scan code. And I am scanning this code to log in. So let me log in quickly. Click on link a device, allow that or authorize that with your fingerprint, and it allows you to log into the web browser. Okay, so this is how you could normally log in to your WhatsApp account on a web browser. So this is how you could log in normally to your account on WhatsApp on a web browser. In order for you to log in to a second account, you could use another web browser to do so. For instance, if you have maybe Firefox, just type in WhatsApp, do a search for WhatsApp, go ahead and pull up your second WhatsApp account. Click on this link out here, and then you get directed to this page. Click on WhatsApp web. Then you are going to get a QR code to log in. Open the settings and you click on the QR code. Click on scan code, and then you scan this to log in to your account on WhatsApp on the second browser. You authorize this, and then this syncs to your account with the second browser. Since I have a phone that allows me to twin applications, I could use two different WhatsApp accounts on the same phone. If you have this feature, that's fantastic, but if you do not have this feature, you could use another phone to log into the second WhatsApp account. So I hope this simple video brought a smile on your face and it struck an idea in your mind to do this. If I did, give my video a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.